What we're doing today is we're digging out the cattails and mud. The church had left their sprinkler system on all night, I'm guessing for a majority of the night anyways, because the bottom of this pond is full of water. Yesterday it was pretty dry, but today it's not. So we're making more of a mess, and we're actually removing more material than what we intended on doing. Really hoping it would be dry, because then I wouldn't have to take so much material out. I'm just trying to get the stuff off the top, but at the same time, since I'm not running tracks, I can't leave it too wet on top because then it'll be stuck. So I have to take out enough material that this humid, dry heat that we're having dry out the ground, so therefore we can grade it out. We're going to replace it with dry dirt to build it up higher, so that way all the water drains to that concrete trickle drain that I was showing yesterday, and I'll show you again today. I got my boy working with me today. He's in the John Deere. He's got the luxury ride. He's got air conditioning and air conditioning. This machine does not work. It's a solenoid switch or something, but definitely better than the air conditioning. At least it blows air, so it's better than nothing, I guess.